Hello everyone, welcome back in the 6th class GK. Student, your GK exam will be held on 21 of August. Okay, and in this video we will start the revision of chapter number 3, 6 and 7. First I am taking here this chapter number 3. The topic is insects of the world. Yes, he is saying here with around 950,000 species insects from a sizable part of the living population. We see a lot of them in our day-to-day lives. Let us check them out. Yes, first one is here. This one picture is of queen termite, and the quality is queen termite is the longest lived insect. Second is this one giant vita, and the quality is giant vita is the world's largest insect. Come to this third one, we are very familiar with this. Yes, fairy flies. Fairy flies are the smallest insects in the world. Ant, this one picture related to ant. Ants are the most abundant insects on the earth. Yes, these are in big quantity on the earth. The five ways harvester ants are the most poisonous insects in the world. Come to this five. Yes, butterfly. Butterflies taste with their feet. Yes, this is very strange thing about these butterflies because humans taste with their tongue. Seven is moths can smell each other from miles away. Yes, this is the quality of this moth. Eight is dung beetle. Dung beetle is the world's strongest insect. Yes, student, this is the help list. And come to the main point of this chapter, info nuggets. Yes. Total weight of all the termites of the world is more than the total weight of all the humans of the world. This is very interesting point, and student, this is also important uh, for your examination. Yes, student, come to this chapter number 6. Slithering sternum. Slithering means if um, something is moving smoothly over the surface with twisting motion. Yes. Here, how well do you know these snaky, shy creatures? Check your reptile score by ticking for the true statements and wrong for the wrong ones. First is here, reptiles are unique creatures because of the dry scales covering bodies. Yes, this is true. Reptiles are unique creatures because of the dry scales covering their bodies. The second is the largest living lizard is the Komodo dragon. Yes, this is also true. And the third is reptiles are warm-blooded creatures. No. Fourth, snakes do not have ears. This is true. They do not have ears. Turtles are found in Antarctica. Wrong. Chameleons have tongue. Chameleons have tongues longer than their bodies. This is true. Yes. Next is 7. Reptiles do not have gills. They breathe through their lungs. Yes, this is true. Dinosaurs were reptiles. Yes, they were reptiles. Info nuggets is here. Only two kinds of lizards in the world are venomous. First is Gila monster, that is in United States, and second is Mexican bearded lizard, that is in Mexico. In second, he is saying name these reptiles, pick your answers from the help list. This is the help list. First picture is here. Yes, this is anaconda. This is anaconda. This one turtle, and this is frilled lizard. Yes, this four is gecko, and this iguana. Six is coral snake. Strength? Yes. Come to this chapter number 7. Peculiar plants. Peculiar plants means some strange plant. No, some strange plants are here. Okay, let us read about these. Okay, and also qualities. What are the qualities? Yes. First is here a poisonous tree that is used for making rat poison. That is coriander. Come to the second. Second is here a flower that is found in Kodaikanal, blooming once every 12 years. That is Kurinji. And the three, a plant that grows most rapidly. That is bamboo. Four is here a parasitic plant, Rafflesia. And the five is a prickly plant that can survive in dry places. That is cactus. Yes, six is here a plant that catches and digests insects. That is Venus flytrap. Seven is a plant that provides us wood, which is used for making cricket bats. That is willow. Yes, student, I hope you enjoyed all this information. Up to the next video. Thank you.